welcome class 7 students. Today in this class also I will continue with some of the important sums of exercise 16 from the factorization chapter of the algebra section of your second unit test syllabus. So please focus in today's class because today also we will solve some important sums. So sum number 3, today we will start with sum number 3. As you can see in sum number 3 it is given that 9a square minus 24ab plus 16b square. So this we can write as 9a square, we can write as 3a whole square, as 9a square is the whole square of 3a. So 3a whole square minus 2 into, we are using the formula a minus b whole square. So we will try to keep this in the form of a square minus 2 into a into b plus b square. So this formula we will try to keep in mind. So 2 into a means 3a, and here b means 16b square is the second term, that is b. And here 16b square is 4b whole square. 16b square means 4b whole square. So here also we will write 4b. So ultimately this is the formula of a minus b whole square. Here a means 3a and b means 4b. So 3a minus 4b whole square. Since minus is there, we will write 3a minus 4b whole square. So you can see how easy the sums are. I have started this kind of sums in the last video, and this video also I will continue with this kind of sum. Let's solve sum number 4 right now. In sum number 4 it is given that m square n square. Sum number 4 it is given that m square n square minus 6mnp plus 9p square. As you can see, m square n square. M square n square is the whole square of mn minus 2 into mn, because here mn is a. mn will be considered as a, and b will be, here the second term b will be considered as 9p square is given. Now 9p square is the whole square of 3p. 3p whole square. So 2 into mn into 3p. 2 into mn into 3p. So this is the formula of a minus b whole square. So here a minus b means mn minus 3p whole square. So very easy sum. Very easy sum. Just try to relate it with the formula of a plus b whole square or a minus b whole square. Here it is a minus b whole square. Here a square minus 2ab plus b square form will be given to you, and you will be asked to resolve into factor. So you will derive the actual formula, the actual sum, that is by back calculation you will try to find out whose formula it is, whose formula has been derived. That is, this one is the factor of mn minus 3p whole square. By back calculation you have to do this. Now let's move on to sum number 5. In sum number 5 it is given that 25a square c cube. Sum number 5. It is given that 25a square b cube sorry 25a square c cube it is given plus 10abc square 10abc square plus b square c plus b square c. This sum is a little bit different. How it is different? Let's see. See, you can see the presence of c in all the three factors. In all the three terms, c is present. C is the only common word. In other words, we can say that c is the only common factor which is present in the three terms. It is the only common factor whose presence is there in the 3 terms. So we will take C as the common factor and then keep a bracket. And keep a bracket to write the leftover terms, the remaining terms from the first term plus the second term plus the third term. C we have taken out as a common factor. As you can see, we are relating these sums with exercise 15 factorization, where we used to take out the common factors and keep it outside the bracket, keeping the uncommon factors, unlike factors, inside the bracket. So what is remaining inside the bracket? Remaining is 25 a square c square. Why c square? Because out of this c cube, one c has been taken out as a common factor. So c square is remaining inside the bracket, plus 10 a b c. Why c? Because c square is there and one c has been taken out as a common factor outside the bracket. So c square minus c, the leftover is c to the power 1, that is only c which is kept over here. Now the last term is b square c. C has been taken out as a common factor, so remaining is b square. So as you can see, as a common factor, the presence of c is there. So c has been taken outside the bracket, keeping the remaining factors inside the bracket, which is not common. The inside the bracket factors are not common, that's why they are kept inside the bracket. Now relate with the formula. C will be kept as it is outside the bracket and the remaining sum we will try to solve inside the bracket. Now 25, now we will try to relate this with the formula of a square plus 2ab plus b square, that is a plus b whole square. A square plus 2ab plus b square. Here a square means a whole square. Here a is the first term whole square. 25 a square c square is the whole square of 5ac. 5ac whole square plus 2 into 5ac into the second term, that is b. Here it is b and here it will be b whole square. All these we will try to keep in the second bracket because already first bracket has been utilized. So c as it is we will keep here and inside the bracket we will write 5ac plus b whole square. This is how we have done the sum. Applying the formula, a square plus 2ab plus b square is equal to a plus b whole square. Here a is 5ac and here b means this b. So a plus b whole square. Remember that c is always kept outside the bracket. Why? Because c was a common factor. So c will not be kept inside the bracket. C will be a common factor which is placed outside the bracket, and inside the bracket we will just solve the sum a square, place it like, solve it, arrange it like a square plus 2ab plus b square to derive a plus b whole square. So we have arranged the sum in the form of a square plus 2ab plus b square to get a plus b whole square, keeping c as a common factor outside the bracket. C is kept as a common factor outside the bracket. First you will take that common factor outside the bracket and then you will solve rest of the sum applying this formula. Either a plus b whole square or a minus b whole square, whichever you can see you can relate with. Here plus is there, that's why we have related it with the formula a square plus 2ab plus b square is equal to a plus b whole square. I hope whatever I have explained in today's class you have understood. In my next class I will come up with further sums. So practice these sums well. Till then, goodbye.